I'm always looking for a better and easier way to clear the frost and ice from my windshield. So I purchased this CLESDF Magic Ice Scraper. I really love that this dedicated ice scraper removes a large amount of ice and snow from my windshield quickly and easily. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use it and show you why I absolutely love it. I'll also detail a couple of things, well, I just don't quite like. And by the way, this is not a sponsored video, but I've included links to the products I use in the description below. This windshield ice scraper is perfect for both the windshield as well as the sides and back windows of your car because it covers a large area, in fact, a larger area than traditional ice scrapers. And it doesn't scratch your windows. It's made of high quality ABS plastic and it has this pronged ice scraper on the end to really get in with that heavy ice that forms on your windshield. This large round ice scraper allows you to apply direct pressure down on the windshield to remove that ice quickly. It doesn't take up a lot of space in the trunk or glove compartment, and it's a perfect gift idea for friends and family. And it's super easy to use. You start at the top and work your way down. But I don't like that this is one more thing that I need to carry, and it does take up, well, actually a fair amount of space in the car. Click here for your next winter car preparation video, and I'll see you there. Any questions or comments? Add them down below.